Hello, this is Mindfield in Brownsville, Tennessee, and you're welcome to come to the What the FPV event and fly here. Now, of course, you can't climb up on it like I have. Do you see me yet? There I am. Much too dangerous and nerve-wracking. But August 22nd, come on out. Saturday, August 22nd, and fly through some tiny holes. Oh, goodness. And I'm going to give you a closer look at just some of the things that you'll be able to fly through and around at Tennessee's largest metal sculpture if you join up with us August 22nd. That's Saturday, starting around 9 a.m. at Mindfield. This is Mindfield. This is what it looks like from the air. And this is what it looks like from ground level. I'm dead center in the middle. I'm sure you can see there's some really cool places to fly through. That hole above the canoe is about 30 inches wide. It's about as wide as a canoe. So that's the bullseye, and then down below that is this little grain silo. And Mr. Tripp said that he is going to leave the door open so that you can fly in here and then out through the holes in the ceiling, or vice versa. Fun, right? The artist, Billy Tripp, is very excited about this event. The motel, which is right next door, they're going to be open. If you're coming in from out of town, you can stay there. They're expecting you. They're going to have Wi-Fi from the motel available to everybody here. We're going to have electricity and plenty of places to fly. Billy said that he will also have this open. There's a door on the very top of this. Here it is right here. And then there's another little door right there that he would leave open for you. Here he is emerging from it in a previous video. That's right, no OSHA harness, because he's crazy like that. So you can go in from the top or in from the hole, and then if you're good enough, you can fly all the way down and then out this door. He will have this door open as well. Or you can go in and out. He's come up with all kinds of crazy ideas for you to do. But the most challenging one of all is right here at the tippy top. This hole, Billy tells me, is about 6 or 7 inches wide. You think you can fly through it? Come find out. August 22nd, Saturday, my birthday, 9 a.m. here in Brownsville, Tennessee. I'll put a link to the website for more information in the description.
This is a free event. Come see your FPV heroes, including 2018 Drone Racing League champion, Nurk, the know-it-all, Joshua Bardwell, and the king of rock and roll, Elvis Presley. Okay, maybe not him, but the other guys will be there for sure. Everyone who shows up has an equal chance to win the DJI FPV Air system, including goggles and controller, provided by Ready Set Drone. RemotePilot101.com will be on hand, and you could win a free membership. Drone prizes from LoomCube and GPC as well.
Now, you're not going to be able to climb this when you're here, but Billy said if you get your quad stuck up here, he'll climb it. And he's over 60, so try not to make him do that. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope to see you at Mindfield, Brownsville, Tennessee, August 22nd. That's a Saturday, starting at 9 a.m., weather permitting. If weather doesn't permit, well, it'll be the weekend after that.
Buh and bye.